My name is Danielle Graham, and this is my website that I created on Weebly. I started off with a quote, and then I started talking about how um, I want to be a forensic psychologist and what I want to do with my future. And I added some helpful links for forensic psychologists and some descriptions. And when you click on the links, it takes you to um, another website, so you can just come right back to this and you won't get lost trying to find my website. I added some photos, some crime scene forensic photos, and also a map of Stockton University and a nice photo of Stockton. Then I talked about me and added some photos of me and talked about my future plans and just a little bit about me. And also added my introduction video from the beginning of the semester and just some nice photos. I also added my blog link, and if you click on it, it'll take you to all of my profile. And just on the website, I told what blogs I posted on my blog. And then I went to SmackDowns, and I described what a SmackDown was. And then I also have all my app SmackDowns on my YouTubes that you can just click and watch. And I talked about digital storytelling tools, and I did a little slideshow with the photos of what some storytelling tools look like and some social media tools that could be helpful. And I also talked about social media etiquette, and I added my social media etiquette presentation. And my final page is how to get in contact with me. I added another Stockton map, and I asked them to take my poll about my website, which you can just click, and you can also click on my LinkedIn homepage to connect with me. And that's my website.